checking into Paris. All masked up. Looking like an outlaw. Alright, just checking in Paris. On the 5th floor. Walking down this hallway. Got a few more to go. $525 right here. It's clean and sealed. Let's check it out. Wow. This is just a burgundy room with the TV's on when you come in, so I was like, what the heck is going on? But TV's on. I'm putting my bags down. So I got a mirror right here. So when you first come in, the bathroom is on the right. Very cool. Very nice. Nice shower. And you have a tub in case you want to fill it up with drinks and then put ice in there. Well, that's what we did in college, but I don't know if we won't have to do that here. So, and then that is one nice looking bed. Tina loves gray. She would love this room with all the grays. And I'm only on the 5th floor. I could have got an upgrade for $30, but heck, I'm by myself. And the windows need to be cleaned really badly. But otherwise, be a pretty neat little view. You got the little Paris balloon. So that's not too bad. Very nice. This is a very nice room. First time in Paris. Of course, I'm by myself, so I'm in town by myself this time, and missing Tina because I know she would love this. So we'll have to come back and do this. Girl I used to work with, Stephanie, she stayed here in Paris and she loved it. So it's pretty cool. Nice room. Very nice room for sure. Paris party pit. I gotta get a Players Club card. Our restaurant right there. Of course, from the restaurant, if you go left, you have the sports book over here. sports book. Pretty cool. In the sports book, come back out into the casino floor. There's a lot of games open. I'm gonna play, but I'm just checking out the area. Gordon Ramsay steak, huh? I'm sure that's good, but I'm sure it's pricey too. Champagne shop slot area right there. Yeah. Paris is cool, but these little restaurants are closed down. Pizza. This is a cool place called Napoleon's Cocktails and Cigars. That is so cool. I may have to come in here in a little while. Alright. And keep walking out of shops, you can end up in Bally's from Paris. Beautiful. Oh, the burger brasseria. That might be lunch tomorrow. So now I'm in Bally's casino. There's security over there, so I have to turn this way. I think I'm gonna head over to this bar. Maybe get me a cocktail. Cool bar. In Bally's. That's cool. Traffic is crazy. I'm going to try to get over there, but it is crazy. I will get run over. Okay. Battista's hole in the wall. I'm probably just going to get spaghetti with meatballs. Everything looks good. Alright, there is Robert Redford with Battista. So we got a salad here and some really good looking garlic bread. And y'all know me, I don't eat bread, but I'll tell you what, you could never pass up garlic bread. I'm not much of a wine drinker, but they bring you this wine carafe with your meal. So it's actually pretty tasty. Pretty good. Alright, I started digging in before I should have. But there's two big giant meatballs, and I took a bite already, and it's really good, amazing. Alright, this is pretty amazing, the setting and everything. The only thing I'm missing is Tina. And then they bring you cappuccino, and I didn't wait on that either, but it's so good. This place is so neat. This place is so iconic. I mean, it's like anybody's been in here. This bar is closed. I love John Wayne. Big Buffalo. Okay, so ate at Battista's right there, and let me tell you something. Amazing experience. It was I don't eat Italian much because number one, the bread, and but I did get meatballs. It was so good. They bring you wine. It's dark in there, so the video is probably not going to be great, but they bring you wine, a carafe of wine, a salad. So they bring you the salad, they bring you the wine, they bring you the bread. Then the spaghetti the meatballs were great. I mean, very, very meaty, very good. And then top that off with some cappuccino, which was really, really good too. So really good experience. If you look, right here is the Flamingo. So it's behind the Flamingo. Mostly this is for locals, and used to be all the stars. They would meet over here for, you know, after their shows and all that kind of stuff. And here's the stage door, which is right here as well. And actually got a casino in there, but it's an experience. It's very. I wish Tina was with me, because it's kind of like a been a really romantic dinner because it's dark and you're in the little booth and stuff like that. So we'll take a picture of the sign. decorations right straight ahead there, and then they've got this little bar right here. And then Cafe Americana's right here, and it's pretty busy. Been busy. They got a line. Since I've been here, they've had a line. So the windows are really dirty, but that's still not a bad view. But I guess they're probably understaffed because of, you know, all the situation, and they can't get windows cleaned. So that's what happens.